Today we're going to be talking about a major catalyst that is going to be coming out today for SPCE stock and what you should do about this catalyst going forward. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into this video, I'd like to ask you guys to comment the amount of shares of Virgin Galactic that you have and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys are interested in starting to trade or invest in Virgin Galactic stock or any other stock for that matter, go ahead and get signed up with WeBull and you can get 2 free stocks that could be worth up to $2,300 when you deposit $5 on the platform. But with all that out of the way, let's get into our stock for today, Virgin Galactic. Alright guys, so Virgin Galactic does have a catalyst coming up, but first let's get into where it stacks up against other meme stocks in the field. SPCE or Virgin Galactic is much more than a meme stock in my opinion, but it is talked about a lot on Reddit, especially Wall Street Bets, and then on StockTwits as well. So if we come here to StockTwits.com, this isn't sponsored or anything, nothing in this video is sponsored, but if we come to StockTwits.com, it's basically a stock investing platform where you can't trade anything, but basically you just talk about different stocks, and they have different rankings. So they have trending, most active, and then how many watchers are coming up. And if you come to most active stocks, SPCE or Virgin Galactic is going to be number 3 on the most active stocks in StockTwits. So that is very interesting. It's probably because of the catalyst that we're about to talk about. And then if we check here on Wall Street Bets Trackers or WSBTrackers.com, also not sponsored, SPCE is going to be the 4th most talked about stock in Wall Street Bets. So they're talked about 6% of the time on Wall Street Bets, and it was 9% on the 8th and 4% yesterday, up a lot from it was only being talked about 1% of the time the 4 days prior. But so talk is definitely going to be ramping up tomorrow after this catalyst that we're about to talk about right now. If we come over here to theverge.com, we can see that tomorrow on July 11th at 9 a.m. Eastern, you are going to be able to watch Virgin Galactic launch Richard Branson into space. So by the time this video is posted, it'll go up at 10 p.m. or sorry, no, not 10 p.m., 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This live stream will most likely be near the end or done with. But basically, Virgin Galactic is going to be launching their CEO and founder, Richard Branson, into space. So let's get into this article. Just like I said, they're launching him July 11th. The company is promising quite a show with the mission. Stephen Colbert will host the live streams. Khalid will reportedly perform a new single live on stage. And then Richard Branson said that he'll announce something very exciting after his space flight. So the catalyst has actually not come out yet, but this could be a very cool catalyst coming out tomorrow that Richard Branson is going to say, and I expect trading for SPCE or Virgin Galactic to be off the charts on Monday. So tomorrow, if you're watching this video on Sunday, be ready for some crazy price action with SPCE or Virgin Galactic stock, and if you guys are looking to day trade stocks, this could be a very interesting one to get into. But yeah, this flight marks one of the company's final test missions before it aims to take off on Virgin Galactic's 4th flight to space carrying humans with its largest crew yet. 4 people, including Branson, will test the astronaut cabin experience, and 2 pilots will be in the cockpit. Basically, what will be happening is that the White Knight aircraft will carry a rocket-powered spaceship called the VSS Unity, with Branson and the others on board up to space. About 40 minutes after takeoff, Unity will drop from the middle of the mothership and ignite its rocket engines moments later to send Branson and the crew to the edge of space, about 55 miles high, for a few minutes of weightlessness. Unity will return to the landing strip at Spaceport America, much like any other commercial airplane. So basically, they'll be going up to 55 miles high at the edge of space, and they will be weightless. And then after they come back, obviously he's going to be giving a cool update or whatever, and that will be the catalyst. So they already sold about 600 tickets and with each ticket being worth around $250,000, which is pretty crazy. But this mission has been surrounded by an increasingly spicy air of competition with Jeff Bezos. Virgin Galactic announced Branson's spaceflight a few weeks after Blue Origin announced that it would send Bezos to space. So that's Bezos's a space kind of company. So basically they undercut Blue Origin by about 9 days, where they will be sending Bezos to space. So they're kind of competing. That's good. In a capitalism market, obviously you want competition, and these guys are really putting it to the test. And real quickly, I want to say that right now at this present moment, space is not really worth what it is going for at the moment. Right now it has $11 billion market cap. It's trading at about $49, and obviously they say in the short term that's going to go down, but this will just be a trading play for me come Monday. This is not something I really want to be investing in at these levels, because after the hype dies down, after obviously Richard Branson's announcement, and then the whole Virgin Galactic or the whole test they're doing tomorrow, I expect after this next week for trading to kind of or investing to kind of slow down, and then volume go back to normal. So I just want to make sure that you guys know this is really only something you should really be trading on Monday or this week. Obviously they've missed earnings per shares, or their earnings per share. They have been hemorrhaging money for a long time now, obviously trying to get this thing operational. It's only at about a hold for the recommendation rating, and then it's near highs of analyst price targets. So obviously this thing is a little bit, out of hand at the moment, but that doesn't mean it can't still go higher. Obviously, if you look at income statement, they basically make nothing. For balance sheet wise, they obviously have a very good balance sheet just because so many people invest in this company, but they still have not, they've still yet to make any, income to really make them worth this 800 million in current assets that they have currently. But I just wanted to say, it's not really worth what it's worth right now, but they do have a good balance sheet, and they could be worth trading tomorrow when you're seeing this video on Sunday. All right, and now real quickly, we can get into the technical analysis. So as you can see down here, volume went crazy as soon as they announced that they would be sending Richard Branson to space, and obviously the volume is probably gonna pick up tomorrow, tomorrow when you're seeing this video. Right now we're sitting at a 45 RSI, and we're trending down on the MACD, but I expect to be trending back up on the MACD. If you guys can get in the pre-market, definitely do that. Get on WeBull and get in the pre-market if you guys are trying to trade this tomorrow, because this thing is going to shoot up like a rocket, no pun intended, when Richard Branson goes into space in the next morning after his announcement. But yeah, so basically we're trading at a support line at about $43 and a resistance at 57. If we can get above 57, there's no telling where space can be going. But yeah, so technical analysis, basically expect a lot of volume, expect a lot of volatility tomorrow, and just tune in to what Richard Branson is saying, because I'm sure he has a pretty cool announcement to give. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for the video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Make sure you comment how many shares of Virgin Galactic you have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe, and consider turning on post notifications, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. My name is Zach. I hope to see you in the next video.